In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to JPEG using Google Drive. This is a quick and beginner-friendly method that lets you turn every page of your PDF into image files directly from your Google Drive account without installing complicated software. This is especially useful if you want to share PDF pages on social media, use them in presentations, create thumbnails, or upload them to websites. So let's get started. Before we begin, here's a quick concept. A PDF file keeps documents fixed and organized, while a JPEG file is an image format that's easier to share, edit, and upload online. Converting a PDF to JPEG simply turns each page of the document into a separate image. First, open Google Drive and locate the PDF file you want to convert. If your file isn't uploaded yet, simply drag it into Google Drive or click the New button to upload it from your computer. Once you find your PDF, right-click on it, hover over Open With, and then click on Connect More Apps. A new window will appear with the Google Workspace Marketplace search bar. In the search field, type PDF to JPEG. From the results, select the first app called PDF to JPEG and click the blue Install button. Google will now ask you to choose your account and approve permissions for the add-on. Select your account, click Continue, review the permissions, and allow access. Don't worry if you've never installed a Google Drive add-on before. The process is very simple. After a few moments, the add-on will be installed into your Google Drive. Click Done, close the Marketplace window, and return to your PDF file. Now, right-click the PDF again, hover over Open With, and this time select PDF to JPEG. A new browser tab will open automatically, and your PDF should upload by itself. Next, choose the folder where you want the JPEG images to be saved. Creating a separate folder for converted files is a good idea because it helps keep your Google Drive organized. After selecting the folder, click the big button that says Create Image from this file. The tool will now convert each page of your PDF into separate JPEG images. Depending on the size of the PDF, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the conversion is finished, you'll see options to view, download, or save to Drive. If you want the images stored directly in Google Drive, click Save to Drive. Now, go back to Google Drive and open the folder you selected earlier. You should see a zip file containing all the converted JPEG images. Open or download the zip file, extract it, and you'll be able to view every page as a separate image. For better image quality, try using a high-resolution PDF file before converting it. And that's it. That's how you convert a PDF to JPEG using Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.